falling apart. So I'm gonna replace all of that with a new headliner, and hopefully it'll look much better than what I got. So I gotta take this plastic cover thing off on each side of the vehicle, each side of the door. So I'll start with that. Kind of screws that comes out of this plastic thing is kind of like the torque screw, I guess what it's called. It comes out of there, and this is what I've been using to get it off. So there's two on each side, so 4 total screws. So I'm keeping my screws together in this hefty plastic bag, Ziploc bag, so it's easier to track keep track of all the different screws. So I just label it so I remember where the screws go to when I go to put it back together. Next, I gotta take these guardrails off on this side of our handrail, hand grip to get in the truck. I gotta take that off so I can take these, so I can easily take the roof off. Yeah, that's the next step. Next, I had to take these railing off the side. It just pops out. Just we have to, squeeze it a little bit to come out, and it should look like that. So that way, this can come out easier. The headliner can come out easier. Next, I took the sun visor off. It was a Phillips screw, 3 sets of them. So that'll be the next step. And I'll have to go to the other side, take the other visor off as well. Got both visors off on both sides of the truck, the passenger and driver side. So next, I think I will go and try to take this piece off. So that's gonna be a challenge as well. So here I go. Well, I got that piece off. It was actually easier than I thought it was gonna be. Looks like I'm missing 2 screws that holds it up, so I'll have to get that when I put it back on. So here's that piece that I just took it off from the roof. Okay, off to the next light, this one right here, and then I should be able to take it down a lot easier from there. Alright. Okay, got the lamp in the middle there, got them off. Got both the front and the middle. So the next step is going to be taking this little coat hanger off on both sides. And then I'll get these little things that are holding it, the rest of the headliner up there. So once I take those out, I think the rest will come down from there. Coat hangers, I just come off. It was a little snug, so you just have to put some pressure on it and just pull down. Here, it'll come out. Alright, next ones are these little things that are holding the rest of the headliner up. And be coming down. So I got the headliner down. So it came down pretty easily after I took the rails off on the driver's side. Alright, I guess I'll make this go sideways so I can take it out easier. Get the headliner out of the truck. Next, I'm gonna have to assess the foam on the headliner and then decide if I need to scrape it off or just put a new cloth over the old foam. Cloth is actually just peeling off. It's pretty easy to peel off. So here's the headliner. After I took the cloth off, it's left with just the foam. I'm gonna vacuum it up and see what it looks, how it feels then. So I got some fabric from Joann fabric store. I tried to get a headliner, but because this goes on a truck on a Dodge Ram 1500, the headliner is actually wider than what they had at the store. So both Walmart and Joann's didn't have that, so I just went with the fabric that was wide enough to cover it, and it's made of cotton. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to spray this on and see how it looks. Alright, so I applied the spray glue on the headliner. Kind of triple layered it, so almost used up the whole can, so I might have to get another one to do the other half. But this is the glue, the spray glue that I've been using. It's 3M headliner and fabric adhesive. So we'll see how it works. Well, I did the first half. It didn't go as well as I thought it would. I have some quite a bit of wrinkles in there, but those were really hard to get it out of once you lay down the cloth on there. So I think my advice would be to just spray the headliner. Don't spray it on the cloth, because that should be enough to hold it up. So I'm gonna do that on the second half when I go to do the other half, because here, as you can see, there's some wrinkles right there. So hopefully I can smooth that out when I lay the second half on. But yeah, I'm gonna try to spray just the headliner on my next spray. So I did the other half by sections this time. It seemed to have the wrinkles are a lot less, and it's a lot easier. So I'm gonna go trim out the corners now and then install it on the truck. I think I did what I could with what I had, so it's time to put it on the back in the truck and see how it looks. Alright, we got the coat hair kind of on there, but that'll do for now. Face it some more tomorrow. Got the side door latch thing here all hooked up. Got the handrail above the door, and another hand grip over here on the side. And I also put this back on the side rail, and I'm about to go put the driver's side next. And then I think I'll go in and put the lights. Actually, I'm going to put the visor on and then put the lights on last. Sun visors are up now. It's a little bit of a struggle, but I'm going to put the lights on next, and that should be the last thing to put on, and we should be done. So this is the final product. After all said and done, looks pretty good to me. I did the best I could, but doesn't look too bad.